Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can free up space in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, what Google Photos is, it is a cloud storage service used for photos and videos designed by Google, and it shares its storage with Google Drive, which is another Google cloud service. Now, that is important to note because that is one of the methods I'll mention for clearing your storage, but let's quickly start. Now, one of the first things that you can do if you want more storage and don't want to delete anything, you can just go to unlock storage discount. I don't know what it looks like on mobile. However, I think it's pretty much the same. Just click there and then you'll have the choice of three either monthly or yearly subscriptions to expand your memory. So that is one of the options. Now, the other one is that you can just remove items, and make sure that you remove items from both Google Drive and Google Photos if you wish to remove the most space. Mostly photos and videos aren't going to take that much space. However, Google Drive is, so make sure you make that Google Drive is clean so that you have more space here. But yeah, if you want to delete it, what you need to do is just either go into the photos or select the photos individually or in bulk like so. That's on PC. You select them by clicking the check marks, or if you're on phones or a mobile device, tap them and hold them if it is touchscreen, and it'll be selected like that. And yeah, just select them, and you have the delete button up in the top right. Select move to trash, and once you do, go to your trash. Whoops, wrong button. God damn it. Yeah, just go. Oh my god, I screwed that up twice. This is going on my nerves. Oh my god. But yeah, go to your trash file and then just select both items or all items in there, and then click delete permanently, and that should free up all of your space. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.